show you how to make buñuelos de viento. Canola oil. You're gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you mix. 1½ cups of milk, 2 eggs, and you mix. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you mix again. Your batter shouldn't be too thin or too thick. This is perfect for buñuelos. Now let's set aside and let's do our sugar mixture. 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and mix really well. Now it's very important that you're gonna heat up your mold for at least a minute. I'm using my beautiful pan by Cook's brand, and you can only get at JCPenney. And if you don't know how it looks like this. Once the mold has been heating up for a minute, drain it as much as you can. And now you go in, but without going over the mold. Do not remove the mold so it won't lose its shape. Beautiful! Once you release it, you gotta make sure that you always keep it hot in warm oil. 2 minutes each side and it's ready. And you drain. Put the sugar and you flip. Serve on a platter. Y listo! And enjoy.